How to upload music to Spotify on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload music to Spotify on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open Spotify on your phone and then you're going to click on your profile at the top left. Once you do so, you're going to click on settings and privacy, that is over here. And then you're going to click on apps and devices. Once you click on that, scroll down till you find the option of local audio files. It lets you add tracks from this device to your library. You're going to simply toggle it on. And once you do so, when you head over to your library, you'll be able to see an option of local files, so simply click on that. To add songs into this file, what you got to do is simply head over to My Files application of iPhone. Once you're here, you're going to click on My iPhone. And then you're going to navigate the folder of Spotify. Once you're in Spotify's folder, you can simply add MP3 files over here. And all of the files that you add over here, you'll be able to view them over here and play them. So that is basically how you can upload music to Spotify on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.